Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix cannot connect to iTunes stores to retry. For example, if you try to open the iTunes store app on your iPhone iOS 26 and after that you see this kind of error on your iPhone iOS 26, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings again, and here you have to simply go for the general, and in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network setting, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply check for your Wi-Fi router also, and you can simply restart your Wi-Fi router. And after that, what you have to do next, you have to simply click on the iTunes Store app, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and you have to simply contact the Apple support and ask for the solution of the problem. Moreover, you can also discuss this problem in Apple discussions forum and ask the users whether how they got the solution of that problem. So moreover, due to network error or anything like that, this kind of error occurs. So you have to make sure that you are using a proper internet connection and it is working properly. And after that, if you try to open the iTunes Store app again, after resolving your internet connection problem, hope the iTunes Store will open and will not occur any errors. So you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi connections, and you have to open the iTunes Store app, and you have to click on retry, and after that you will see your iTunes Store app will work properly. So here you have to search for that. Here you can simply search for open the iTunes U app. So here you have to simply search for that. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like this you can subscribe our channel.